Ready to blast off into the world of Solana with Photon. Let's get you set up to buy Sol quickly and easily. First, head over to the Photon platform website if you're new here. You'll need to create an account, click the sign up button and follow the on-screen instructions. Once your account is created and verified, the next step is to deposit funds. Navigate to the wallet or deposit section. Photon usually supports multiple deposit methods. Choose your preferred method and follow the instructions. With funds in your account, it's time to navigate to the exchange. Look for the trade or exchange section. Search for the SOL, USD or SOL USDT trading pair. Now, you'll see an order form. Make sure the buy order type is selected. Enter the amount of Solana you want to purchase. You might see options for market or limit orders. Review all the details carefully. Once you're ready, click the buy button to execute your order. You should then see a confirmation screen indicating your purchase was successful. Congratulations! Your newly purchased Solana should now be visible in your Photon wallet. You can now hold it, trade it, or explore the Solana ecosystem. Happy trading!